Compton, she's having pancakes. Good morning. We're on our way to Disney Springs. Oh, hi. Sydney knows the itinerary for today.
I screenshotted it. We want a resort hop, but we want to be able to take the Skyliner. So we're going to Disney Springs. We're going to go to Caribbean Beach with the bus, and then Skyliner to Riviera Resort.
And then later, River has some work to do, but he's gonna meet us at Disney Springs.
Yeah, because pinboards don't come out till 2, so we're going there
so at 2, we're going to Disney Springs.
And
our
the
parents
whole
are already
family.
there in an hour-and-a-half line for Gideon's right now. They rope dropped it. That's funny to say. At Disney Springs, they rope drop Gideon's.
10 to 29 that way. Hey, 10 to 29 this way.
They're waiting on us. We get our own bus. What's the story behind your socks?
Bro, I got freaking blisters, and the only socks they had are character socks, but they're kid socks, and they all have a little interactive thing, and this one's got his hat, but his hat's stretched out. One of their ear moves. Yeah, look at this baby strong. Maybe I should do that. Ellie, there's some mystery pin bags if you need a trader.
I got a pack of traders.
Brandon, do you want the cupcake?
Look how fast they're going.
Nick, stop. I'm so anxious right now. Don't let me
Do it together.
Oh!
It's not as bad as it
Oh,
looks.
it's pretty damn bad. It's
Nick, stop.
and Disney's Riviera Resort, a Disney vacation club. If you are just joining us, we are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Disney's Home
This is nice. This is nice.
Hey,
I can't hear
and
this.
Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
Dude, look how
Bon voyage to the Mediterranean. We are about to go island hopping at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
I'm never doing this again.
Yeah, I don't understand.
Connor, we have to do it like 3 more times to get back.
What? Can you rock it?
Look
for
how
real?
nice
Nick,
and
stop.
refreshing that pool is.
I feel like I'm
right
gonna
now.
pass out, Nick. I need you to stop. Seriously, I'm about to cry.
I'm gonna Coco. I'm the one that's decorated.
We got a plane one again?
Bro, that takeoff is great. This one doesn't even go up. Really?
Yeah, it's way shorter.
Each path is different.
It's way shorter.
I know that Epcot or Hollywood is a really crazy.
Oh, this
ride.
one
I
doesn't
think it's
go
Hollywood
high.
because we always go.
Yeah, this is.
Yeah, this is pretty much as high as we're getting.
That's pretty. Sorry, pretty. Very
Pretty.
high.
Welcome aboard the Disney
elevated.
Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
Yo, good. Dude, I'm sweating through my shirt right now.
This is so bad. I can't. It's not the height, it's just the fact that we are stuck in this thing.
In just a few moments,
No one can take us. They're gonna climb this rope?
Cindy, they have an emergency button
Walt
over
Disney
there.
World Resort.
You just call me.
Passengers continue
Yeah, that's what they're
call
gonna do.
for Disney.
The black garlic truffle parmesan fries here. I think that's
creepy, actually. Very gross. They weren't lying. That's ours. Yeah. Whoa.
Did you know this was red, Nick?
No, I said the Mickey ring.
Yeah, and she went, the red one? I went, yes.
You're backwards again.
Yeah, I think I'm better with this. The door better shut.
Oh, I don't like this because you can't even hardly see out of it. I'm not getting on another one of these ones. Oh my. Dude, that Jacob.
Connor's nervous laugh is funny.
Jacob is crazy.
Oh, this one's smooth. I feel like
Yeah, we're not rickety. Oh!
At Disney's Hop Century Resort.
Sydney's the most magical flight. It's not
Whoa,
scary.
You made me look up at a really bad time.
It's magical.
Why is it a bad time?
Because I can see all the water, dude. That's what I don't like.
I think the water's cool.
Yeah, the water.
But if you get stuck there again, no one is coming for you.
I mean, yeah, you're right. If you fell in there, you're probably fine.
Exactly. That's
I
what I'm
think-
insane.
I think you would
You're gonna
die.
enjoy
I think
this
you'd
part
have
of the
more
vlog.
chance of dying if you hit the car.
I wish we had the thing.
Thank you for flying with us.
I bought that one.
Permanezcan sentados.
Oh!
Look at that.
Oh, you're saying this is Disneyland?
Por favor, cuide sus pequeñitos. Tenga sus pertenencias y observe sus pasos. Gracias por volar con nosotros. Welcome aboard, Islanders. You are on the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with continuing flights to Epcot.
This is not funny. Fan back.
We stopped and she's having a panic attack.
Don't find it.
Yeah, I mean, you could do it.
We're still moving. It did stop.
It's just so slow.
Hey, Epcot ball.
Where?
Right there.
Please
At
remain
least even their
seated
chicken
until the
tenders
doors
behind
automatically
you.
open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your
We're
belongings,
here.
and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us. Por favor.
He's stuck.
Oh, we don't have him.
They keep playing Lemonade Mouth here, and I love it. She broke it, everyone.
It all lights up the different things.
Oh my gosh, like the ball.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Imagination. Imagine if you had it.
I like this. It's a small one.
Small enough
Small
life.
one.
Yeah. Look,
So cute.
come here.
Orange count. Oh, that dude's cool. He's got the double faces on.
Oh yeah, his sunglasses are cute.
Yeah, I like that.
We're going to Port Orleans. What is that? What it's called? Port Orleans. The boat line is too long in the sun, so we're getting on the bus.
How's it going? What's wrong?
The boat line is too long.
The boat's literally like a 10-person boat, and that's how long the line is. It's every 15 minutes.
We're getting this and adding that.
Awesome, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Alright, so this is a cola tea with a butterscotch pump from
No,
Ice.
no, no.
No.
It's the Spice and Tea Exchange.
From the Spice and Tea Exchange. I've heard
Okay, we're gonna
only
get coffee. Come over here.
I've heard only
great things about this. I've only heard great things about this, so I'm super excited.
Nuh-uh.
Like, it's just like heavy ginger. It's not cola and it's not butterscotch.
I like it. I actually love it, but some people in our group do not like it. We all just got a bunch of teas.
Make sure you put the mouse back in house. No way. Okay. I see how you didn't even fix it.
Yeah, like the public transportation. No way.
That's so cool, they smell. Beignet.
Oh yeah, the AC never got lower than 76 on the last night. Or 73.
What? Oh my gosh. Oh yeah,
so it changes
Dad was
colors.
showing
Watch.
me. That is so cute.
It was full of water. That was it.
Nick has a pretty impressive Stitch collection going on.
Try them too. I think I got more in here actually.
Mild, medium, hot, extra hot.
That page. Yeah, I do. I got that one, that one, that one. That one's Disneyland.
Disneyland? Are these your traders?
No, I'm keeping any Stitch I get. I'm keeping.
So is the rest, or is it, do you have any more traders anymore?
Yeah, this one, that one, that one. Sydney doesn't want me to trade that one. And then got hers.
He's got interactive ones.
Dave's hot chicken.
We're doing a Disney haul. Also, the air won't turn on, so we have maintenance coming. Let's drag him in the comments.
You gotta get all the negative.
It's hot as
wow. We're gonna go ride the boat to the resort. All I hear in the background is not doing that. Line's too long. Look.
They all glow
You
up.
got a broken one.
Cute! So cute.
That was a little too scary for me, but that's cute.
Sydney! Sydney's gonna give you a mini pin board tour.
Yeah, for your story, Dad. Mom wanted you to tell your story, but we just aren't. So he said, "Frick your story." This is gonna be my extra Disney dogs.
Well, here, take this
Your
because it's not gonna focus.
Extra Disney dogs. These people, I Dude, first of all, also my dogs are out underneath this the whole time. For some reason that like, I don't know what just happened. Ow. I don't know. Yes. Dude. Wait, I gotta stop this.
I'm stopping cutting stuff out of vlogs. Our family's just unhinged. People are gonna have to get used to it. I'm paying off the balcony.
Chew it on his head.
Imagine if I was Reaper, I'd probably get it.
Yeah, that's true.
We got Dave's Hot Chicken. And they got a mystery,
Yeah.
a mystery chicken sandwich box. Are you kidding me?
Oh, well,
I don't know what you said, but I'm leaving it in.
First word, Rand.
I did not.
What'd you say? You get a mystery one? Did you make it out alive?
What's the mild?
I'm feeding it good on there.
Hot.
Did you get a mystery one?
No, this is mild and it's hot.
Yours isn't spicy? The numbers are dwindling down.
Nick's screwed.
Bro, that looks like a turd.
Mild.
You're
Mega
up.
Mild. River found it.
You found the Reaper?
Yeah, he cut a piece off. The one we're suspecting is a Reaper.
Is it?
The one that matches the box. Well, chew it. Don't just let it sit there.
He is glistening a little bit.
Wowza.
Which one? Oh, that
Yeah.
yeah. Like,
Your whole neck is red already.
dude, your eyes are
Dude.
sweating.
Oh,
Your eyes are sweating.
That's called crying.
That's
like-
a nice way to put it, Connor. Your eyes are sweating.
Who ate it?
Trying to be nice.
The really hot
He
one?
just got a little piece off.
of it.
Dude, it's barely any, yeah?
Well,
Oh, no.
Oh, I swallowed it. Dang it. It's on my throat. That's crazy.
Dude, you're taking one thing every trip. Diet Coke, then a freaking ice pack.
So, we're switching rooms because our air conditioner broke.
Shake my head.
It is currently almost 10 p.m. If you know anything about Disney, you cannot not have air. So we're switching rooms. How's everyone feeling?
Better, hopefully, tonight once we get a cold AC.
That's true, I woke up sweating last night. Good morning again.
Good morning.
She got new ears yesterday. Peep the ears. We did not end a vlog yesterday after we were rearranging our whole hotel, so forgive us. But it is the next day and we're going to Magic Kingdom, so stay tuned for the next
I don't
vlog.
think they have any type
Bye.
of Japanese, like,